Morning, students. How are you? Okay, students. Okay, wait. Now I am audible. Okay, students. Okay, student. Today I put some questions. Tell me their answers. Okay. Okay. What is the most essential thing we need to survive? Good. How we get air? Can we live without water? Okay. Okay. Last question is, what is water? Students. Tell me. Okay. So, student, today we will study about water. Our topic is water. Okay. First, uses of water. Water is the most important liquid on Earth. It covers almost 75% of Earth's surface in the form of oceans, rivers, and lakes. All plants and animals need water to live. People have many uses of water beside drinking. They use it for washing and cooking. They use it to irrigate crops and lawns and to clean streets. They also use the power of flowing water to produce electricity. And the sources of water are the major sources of water are rainwater, river, lake, well, tap, stream, sea, pond. And next is forms of water. Water can be found in three physical forms: liquid, solid, and gas. The molecules in all three states are constantly. And the next is water cycle. What the water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. It is it is a complex system that includes many different processes. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condense to form liquids and precipitates back to earth in the form of river, rain and snow. Students, I'll show screen. Okay, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ screen दिखाई दे रही है? This is water cycle. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? Okay. Water evaporation होकर कंडेंसेशन होता है, फिर प्रेसिपिटेशन एंड फिर कलेक्शन होती है वाटर साइकिल में. समझ आ गया आपको जो मैंने पढ़ाया आज? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम ऑडिबल? आपको समझ आ गया जो मैंने आज करवाया आपको? Students, I am audible or not? Students, I am audible? Okay, now I put some questions related to this topic. Tell me their answers. Okay, student. Okay. The first question is, what is the uses of water? Good. And the second question is, how many forms of water? Yes. Okay, good. And last question is, what is the sources of water? Yes. Yes, good. So स्टूडेंट आपको समझ आ गया सब तो मैंने आपको आज करवाया. Now I give you homework. Okay, write down. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? Students, tell me. Okay, write down. Draw a picture of water cycle in your scrapbook. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? Okay, this is your homework. अगर आपको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. Students, tell me. आ गया आपको समझ? Okay. So this is your class. Okay, left कर दो अब आप.